nutrients and nutrition. Nutrients are the compounds like carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins and fats. The nutrients help the living organism to build their bodies, to grow, to repair their damaged parts and to provide energy to carry out their life process. And what are nutrition? Nutrition are the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization in the body is called as nutrition. What are the different modes of nutrition? There are two main different modes of nutrition. There are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition are those nutrition in which plants prepare their own food, example animals. And heterotrophic nutrition are those in which nutrition in organisms get their food directly or indirectly from their plants. They do not make their own food. Autotrophs versus heterotrophs. Autotrophs are the producers and heterotrophs are the consumers. Autotroph is an organism that produces its own food. And example is plant. Plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. And when you see in heterotrophs, heterotrophs are the consumers in which the organisms do not make their own food. They are either directly or indirectly dependent upon the plants for their food. Example, animals. What is photosynthesis? As I already said, that photosynthesis is the process by which the plants prepare their own food by using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Photosynthesis takes place in leaves and sunlight is obtained from the leaves and water is absorbed by the roots and transported through the leaves. Carbon dioxide is taken to the air from the small pores in the leaves called stomata and chlorophyll are the green pigments present in the green leaves. By this image, you will be able to knowing the concept clearly what is photosynthesis. The sunlight is absorbed by the leaves and in this process the leaves absorb the carbon dioxide and releases oxygen for our respiration. And the roots absorb the water and minerals and transport it through the leaves. And in this image, you will be seeing the clear image which will be in the leaves. These are the small green pigments that are known as chlorophyll and stomatas and air spaces. And these are the guarsins. Chlorophyll uses the energy from the sunlight to prepare their own food by using water and carbon dioxide. The food prepared is carbohydrate which is then converted into starch. During this process, oxygen is released. The equation for the photosynthesis is carbon dioxide plus water gives rise to sunlight by chlorophyll, carbohydrates plus oxygen. What are the other modes of nutrition in the plants? Parasitic plants. Plants which does not have chlorophyll and cannot prepare their own food. They get their food from the host plants. And the example is Cascuta. Cascuta is dependent upon the amoebas for the food. Insectivorous plants. Plants which feed on the insects. Example, pitcher plant. The leaf of the pitcher plant is modified into a pitcher and the end of the pitcher plant has a lid open and closed. When an insect enters into the pitcher, the lid closes and the insect is digested by the digestive juice inside the pitcher. Saprotrophs. Plant which does not have chlorophyll and cannot prepare their own food. They get their own food from the dead and decaying organic matter. Example, mushroom and breadfruit. In this case, they produce the digestive juice on the dead and decaying organic matter and convert it into a solution that can be absorbed by the nutrition from the soil, from the solution. Simple as a solution. Plants live together and share the shelter together and also prepare their own food together. Example, lichens. In lichens, an algae and a fungus live together. The fungus provides shelter, water and minerals to the algae and the algae provides food to the fungus which it prepares by the photosynthesis. How these nutrients are replenished in the soil? Plants absorb nutrients from the soil. So nutrients in the soil decreases. So also does not have chlorophyll. They feed upon the dead and decaying organic